Hey guys, getting right into this week's video, but first, if you missed my last video for my 3-ingredient biscuits, well child, you know what to do. Watch this one and then go back and check it out, because this week I'm showing you how to make these delicious, quite amazing, my smothered turkey wings. They are so good, so quick and easy. I'm not going to hold you. Here's the video. Hi guys, and welcome back to What Adrienne Thinks. It's me, Adrienne. Today I'm going to show you how I'm making this soul food classic. That's what I'm calling it, a soul food classic, my smothered turkey wings. Guys, I'm going to show you how quick and easy this recipe is. I have some super small turkey wings, so that makes me incredibly happy. Holler if you can hear me. I'm not about the big turkey wings, guys. So this small turkey wings that I have, they were whole wings, and I cut them, removing the drum from the flat part, which is the best part. So guys, I'm gonna meet you down. Let's get this on. So I have my turkey wings here. I'm not going to touch them just yet so I can show you how small they are, because I want to put my seasonings on first. And I'm going to start with a little olive oil. Just a little extra virgin olive oil. So I'm giving a good glug of that. And I have some lemons. I'm going to take the juice of one whole lemon. And these are cleaned. They are ready to be seasoned. All right, so I'm just rolling this lemon. And when you do this, I don't know if you can see me off on the side here, guys, but I'm rolling this lemon out to try to get some of that juice to make it a little more juicier. I don't even know what I was going to say, but you just want to roll it till it starts to feel a little soft. You want to start to break down the lemon a little bit. So I'm just going to take my knife and get some of those seeds out. And sometimes when you're able to do your lemon up like this, you can avoid getting a lot of the seeds in. But if any get in, don't worry, I'll pick them out. Or you could even go like this with your other free hand and just sort of let the seeds get into your hand like that. Okay, see, we're able to catch them. All right. So I'm going to do my other half here. All right, guys, so I just wanted to clean up my area a little bit. So we have our olive oil, the juice of one whole lemon, and now I'm going to start to add some seasoning in. So first thing I'm going to start with is a little granulated bouillon. So I've used this granulated brand from Knorr. You can even use Maggi seasoning, Maggi polio seasoning would be good in this too. Just want to give it a little shake of that. I have some herb de Provence. If you don't have this, you can use Italian seasoning would be fine. I just want to give a generous thing of that. Not too much, because dried herbs pack a punch, so you don't want to go crazy. I have some all-purpose Greek seasoning. This is Morton's Nature Seasoning, and this is really good. I haven't opened it yet, so let me get the lid off of this. All right. So the Nature Seasoning kind of had like a little nostalgia for me. Reminds me of what my mother would put in. Okay, now I have 2 sacks of, I'm actually going to use one because these wings are kind of small. 1 sack of the Sazon with the achote, so we get that red coloring going on. Okay. And what else do I have over here? Huh. What'd you think? What'd you think? You know what it is. Come on. Come on your powder. As you can see, I just got all these seasonings, so I'm just getting off the lids. Adding a little ground ginger. You see how to double back and check, because have you ever started using a seasoning and then the lid is not all the way on? And then you get a whole bowl full of seasoning that you didn't want. So this is just granulated onion. Let me show you that. This is not granulated, this is chopped onion, dehydrated. So that's good. And I'm using a little oregano. Not too much.
It looks like your Wi-Fi name or password has changed. To update your Wi-Fi information, go to the Alexa app.
Alexa, if you don't get out of here.
It looks like your Wi-Fi
Alexa.
name or password has changed. To update your Wi-Fi information, go to the Alexa app.
Cut it out, Alexa. A little McCormick's Garden Vegetable Seasoning. Love this. And I'm going to use some salt-free seasoning, Paul Prudhomme's Magic Seasoning. It's just so good. I mean, why not? A little black pepper. Oh, there's a capsule on this one. I don't know why it's doing that. All right. So that's our seasoning for this. It's a lot, right? Oop, I forgot one. Sorry, guys. Some garlic powder. Not too much, just a little. All right. So let me get my other glove on. And let's get to seasoning these wings. Now I have some onion and peppers on the side. I'm actually going to toss some right on in. There's some red bell pepper. And this is just a large white onion or Spanish onion. You may find them in the market as. Okay. And I have a little chopped flat leaf parsley. I'm going to add it. So this is our seasoning for our turkey wings. That's good, right? Ooh, child. So aggressive. So I'm going to get the mixing these up. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So our turkey wings are all seasoned. Onions and peppers and parsley all in. So now I have a roasting pan on the side with some water. I have about a quarter cup of water in here. I don't know if you can see it in there. So now I'm just going to lay our wings right on it. And sometimes I do this. I have a cooking bag that I would use, but I didn't have any more today, so I'm just going to roast these just in the pan like so. So just going to load these up, and you know, get them in any way you like. Sometimes I start turning them around so that they'll sort of nestle in. So I just had 4 wings, so these are going right on in, just adding our onions and peppers on the sides and on top. All right, get my gloves off here. I'm going to cover this with some foil, and it's going to go in a 350-degree oven. When I come back, they'll be done, and I'll let you know how long they bake for. But again, these are getting covered with foil, child, it's only Sunday. Again, these are getting covered with foil, 350 degrees, and I will let you know how long they actually took to cook. I am going to top them with a little Just a little salt right on the top and just a little sprinkling. And that's it. All right, I'll meet you back when these are done. All right, guys, so these turkey wings are done. They just need to brown a bit. So I'm going to make a quick slurry for some gravy. And then these will be done. Hopefully you can see, I'm not giving too much shadow. All right. That's my jerk chicken. That's another video. All right. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you the slurry that I made. This is just some very warm water, a little flour, had a little fresh parsley in there. I'm going to throw in a little chicken bouillon right into it. I have some Mrs. Dash. Let's give it a stir. And this is the garden vegetable seasoning. And a little black pepper. Stir. Grab a little sugar. Use about a half a teaspoon that's going to go in here. And then I will pour this over our turkey wings, and I'll add another cup to a cup and a half of water, and that'll be our gravy. So it's going in the oven uncovered until it's nice and bubbly. All right, be back. All right, guys, so the turkey wings are done. Just look at that. Delicious gravy just from that little slurry. And the seasonings we added. All right. Well, you know what's next. The taste. Our smothered turkey wings are done. And you get a load of that. Time to taste. Ooh, boy. Oh, so tender. I think I'm trying to get more than I can chew. All right, guys, so delicious. Upside down fork. I love turkey wings, and especially when they're nice and small like this. So good. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make these turkey wings. You won't be disappointed. They're oh so good. They're always good. And just a family staple. Soul food at its best. Smothered turkey wings. Make sure you tell all your family and friends about what I'm doing in this kitchen, y'all, and what Adrian thinks. Guys, time to feed the folks. I'm out. Till next time, turkey wings out.